A sum of money placed at compound interest doubles itself in 3 years. In how many years will it amount to 8 times itself? Now, in compound interest, the formula we use is A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now here, the principal is getting doubled. So that means we can say amount is equal to 2P. So therefore, if we substitute it in the equation, we get 2P is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now here N is given to us as 3 years. So we can write down 3 as well. We can cancel out P. So we get the equation as 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 cube. Now we want in how many years will it amount to 8 times itself? So that means we want amount is equal to 8P. So that means it becomes 8P is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. So P will get cancelled. The equation will be 8 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now we have this equation. Now we have here 2. Now if we take the cube on both sides, we'll get 8 on the left hand side because 2 cube is 8. So 2 cube is 8 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to 3 and whole raised to 3. So because there is a bracket raised to 3, this becomes 1 plus R by 100 raised to 9. Now, if we equate this equation with this equation, the right hand side, we will get that N is equal to 9. That means the principal will become 8 times itself in 9 years. That is option D. Now, there is another approach as well, which we can use over here. That is the amount, the principal becomes 10 times in a specific time duration. Okay, so if I have invested X, now it is getting doubled. So it is getting double in 3 years. Okay, so this remains constant, double in 3 years. So X becomes 2X. So in another 3 years, it will again get double. So it will become 4X. In another 3 years, it will again get doubled and that will become 8X. Now that's what we want X to become 8X in this question. So you can see here 3 years time duration, we are requiring it 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 years. By both the approaches, obviously the answer remains the same. Option D in this case, 9 years.